Set in the city of Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and established in the year 2003 by a young and dynamic mechanical engineer, Mr. Manoj Kumar, and his better half, Mrs. Jyoti Bala. Jyoti Sero Group is an ISO 9001-2000 certified group consisting of 3 companies: Jyoti Sero Rubber, Jyoti Sero Technocrafts, and Jyoti Sero Polycon. Our journey started from an engineer who became an entrepreneur by developing many innovative products with the immense support of Tata Steel. Today, Jyoti Sero is a well-known name in the wear and abrasion industry. We innovate against the wear and abrasion problems in processing plants, polymer and filler. The company has developed more than 83 products and has found ways to improve the life of plant and machineries more than 8 to 10-fold. Our achievements in the area of material handling systems starts from the ceramic rubber pulley lagging sheet. We have developed for the first time in India ceramic rubber pulley lagging sheet in the year 2002 under joint collaboration with the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. We launched its manufacturing at our first unit, Jyoti Sero Rubber, in the year of 2004. We are proud to inform you that
our industry is working in the area of wear and tear, and our slogan is "Wear is unlimited, Jyoti Sero Rubber brings it within the limit." We are a group of engineers primarily involved in designing and manufacturing of engineering products. We started our company in 2004. Here we have made the 3 conveyor system, which is very identical in physical specification like motors, gears, idler, even inclination. Everything is very identical. Here we want to show and measure in lab scale, that is with the help of hybrid idler and ceramic pulley lagging, how much energy we are able to save. This conveyor is known as C1. This is C2 and this is C3. The difference between 3 is this, that is the C1 is having conventional idler as well as the conventional pulley lagging, but the physical specification of all these 3 conveyor belts are the same, like motor, gear, idler sizes, pulley dia, and as well as the inclination and load also. It's totally identical. This 3 conveyor belts is already connected with a separate energy meter to see that how much energy it is consuming. We run this conveyor system every day for 4 hours and note down the data, and we have run this total system from the beginning at least 200 hours. In this, when we have analyzed how much energy has been saved, when we analyze our data, I find that C1, C2 and C3. C1 has taken higher energy, C2 has taken little lesser energy, and C3 has taken much lesser energy. After analyzing, we find that the green conveying system, where the hybrid idler and ceramic pulley lagging is used, it's saving of about 10 to 11%. I hope this is a breakthrough pass, or it is a very useful for the steel industries, for mining industries, for cement industries, when we can jointly work together and save the energy at least 10 to 11% for conveying the certain TPH of the material, as well as we can jointly work together and earn the carbon credit also. My first major innovation is the ceramic pulley lagging. This is the product which has enhanced the life of the conveyor belt, where the life of the conveyor pulleys was very less, and the ceramic pulley lagging has enhanced the life more than 8 to 10-fold. My second major product is hybrid idler. This is really a ice-breaking product for my company. Hybrid idler has given a very encouraging result, that is more than 10 folds life. Then our organization thought this product can be a patented one, and along with the Tata Steel and Jyoti Sharrow Rubber jointly patented this product. Tata Steel claims that they have, with the help of this hybrid idler, they have saved a Indian rupee to the tune of 1,800 millions. These are the products which we are manufacturing for the conveyor system. These products are used for the material handling, for steel industries, for cement industries, for mining industries. This is our ceramic polylagging, which has improved the life as compared to the rubber lagging by 8 to 10 folds. This is polyurethane decks, which is used for screening of material. This is side skirts, where it is used for where the loading in conveyor belt is there. That is called for stoppage of pillage. These are the rubber liners which we are manufacturing for chute liners, launder liners. This is PU walk, which is used for holding the screen panel in vibrating screens. Then we make so many of products. All these products has been designed and developed by us as per the requirement of the customer, because what happened when any plant is in project time is installed, that is on the theoretical basis, but in actual practice when it comes in the working operational, so many parameters gets changes, and then what happened, a premature failure is taking place. Because of this, always a breakdown and a shutdown has to be taken to for a continuous production. So these products are very small products, but it's playing a very vital role for the productivity of any process industries. So because of this enhancing the life of these products, the availability of conveyor system gets increases, and which gives a edge from conventional supplier to us, so that we improve the life of the products. The raw material which we purchase, first of all, in our lab we test it is as per our requirement or not. After that, we go for the production. Behind me, it's a polyurethane casting machine. This machine is having very unique feature, where we put the polyurethane polymer, and for a homogeneous mixture we mix it with inside a rotator is there. Then we vacuum it so that all the air bubbles can come out, and it's having a unique machinery which mix the A and B material, and then we pour this material on the die. This is our oven, where we are manufacturing the screen mats. In CSR activity, we are doing lot many things. My wife is in a better position to tell you what are the actual CSR we are doing for the society.
हमारे ऑफिस में 140 स्टाफ हैं। उनके बच्चों के प्रॉपर एजुकेशन का जिम्मा हम लोगों ने लिया है, ताकि उनकी पढ़ाई में कोई दिक्कत ना हो सके। इसके लिए हम लोग बच्चों के साल भर की फ़ीस और साल भर के बुक का अरेंजमेंट कर देते हैं, ताकि बच्चे अच्छे से पढ़ के अपने अपने काम को कर सकें। और जिस तरह मेरे हस्बैंड ने एक इंडस्ट्री लगा के 140 लोगों को नौकरी दी है, उस तरह वैसे ही बच्चे पढ़ के आगे निकले और ऐसा ही कुछ काम करें जिससे आगे भी लोग को नौकरी मिल सके। और एक हम लोग और नया काम शुरू किए हैं इस साल से। हम जिस शहर में रहते हैं वो इंडस्ट्रियों का शहर है, उसको हम लोग हरा भरा बनाने के लिए एक नया काम शुरू किए हैं। इसके लिए हम लोगों ने 5000 फल के पेड़ लगाने का जिम्मा लिए हैं और हर साल कोशिश करेंगे कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना फल का पेड़ लगाया जा सके, ताकि कुछ सालों बाद जमशेदपुर हरा भरा लगे और फलों का गार्डन दिखे। इसके अलावा हम लोगों ने सारे स्टाफ और वर्कर के हेल्थ फैसिलिटी को भी ध्यान में रखा है। सिर्फ स्टाफ ही नहीं, उनके घर के भी सारी सदस्यों के मेडिकल फैसिलिटी को हम लोग पे करते हैं और उसके लिए उनके सैलरी से कुछ नहीं लेते हैं। ये हम लोग शुरू से करते हैं, जब से हम लोग की इंडस्ट्री शुरू हुई है तब से करते हैं।
People are looking for the jobs rather creating the job. With this thinking, I thought why I should not try to encourage nearby children or students or even to the young youth people to start their own industry, and rather looking for the job and employment, start giving the employment. With this thinking, what happened last 1 year or even last 6 months back, I started going to the nearby schools and saying my stories and encouraging children of 10th class or 11th and 12th classes to rather to become an entrepreneur. And if you become the entrepreneur, and saying them that is, if you have a determination, hard working, clear cut goal in your life, you will surely succeed as an entrepreneurship. In terms of brand, we stands for the solution provider, getting the recognition of your work. As Indian government has awarded us with a national award for R&D section as well as for the outstanding performance in the year 2009. The Jharkhand government has awarded us the best SSI unit in the year 2005 and 2006. Recently, we have been recognized by the India's Small Giants as well as 100 SME award. We have 3 patents in our name. One is applied in 2009, that is called wear resistance coating on the conventional idlers for material handling section. Second, recently we have applied with Tata Steel, and third, we are also in the process of the patent. Jyoti Shero Rubber is a solution provider organization. Its motto is innovate to enhance the performance. Its slogan is "Where is unlimited, Jyoti Shero brings it within limit." As we are known as solution provider, we not only selling the product, we handhold the customer's problem and resolve up to the customer's satisfaction.
For more information, please log on to www.jyotisero.com.